Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to clock in on Connecteam. First, locate the Connecteam app icon on your mobile device and tap it to open. Ensure you are logged in using your correct credentials. Upon opening, you will see the app's home screen, which displays various options. This is your starting point for managing tasks and accessing the time clock feature, making your daily routine straightforward. Once on the home screen, your next step is to find the time clock or time sheet option. This feature is usually clearly labeled and easy to spot, often appearing as a prominent button or menu item. Tapping this will take you to the dedicated time tracking section, where you can view your current status and prepare to record your work hours for the day. Now, to officially start your shift, simply tap the clock in button. If your company uses multiple jobs or projects, you might be prompted to select the specific one you are working on. Additionally, if location services are required, confirm your current location. After these steps, a confirmation message will appear, letting you know your clock-in was successful and your work time has begun. After clocking in, it's a good practice to quickly check your timesheet to ensure your entry was recorded accurately. Always make sure your mobile device has a stable internet connection for seamless operation, as this prevents any potential clock-in errors. If you encounter any issues or have questions, do not hesitate to contact your manager or administrator for assistance. They are there to help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.